Donald Trump posted a $91.6 million bond today in regards to the E. Jean Carroll lawsuit. Now, we know now that he didn't put up his own cash. It is, in fact, a bond, which is interesting because that means he had to find somebody that was willing to lend him the money. And that's hard to imagine given he's a horrible credit risk. So all that can possibly mean is that he somehow pulled together enough property that amounted to $91 million that was unencumbered, as in not mortgaged, that was owned free and clear. He had to put that up for whoever posted the bond to be protected with their investment. Now, when he posts this bond, it is there until he appeals it. That could be a few months, it could be up to a year. So that money will be sitting there. Now, the important thing to remember is there's no way that he wins the appeal. He even knows that. He's just trying to push the goalpost back. His crimes, his defamation, is on videotape and broadcast nationally. No way he wins the appeal. So what's going to happen when he loses that appeal, then E. Jean Carroll will take that money. Donald Trump will never see the $91 million again, and neither will his benefactor. So that means whatever Donald Trump put up is all but gone right now. I don't know what he put up to get that $91 million, but for all intents and purposes, in the next 3 to 6 to 8 months, he won't own it anymore because the people that borrowed him that money will take that shit. And the thing about it is, it probably wasn't worth just $91 million. If you're going to take that risk and you're going to end up with the property anyway, it's probably going to be a lot more than that as far as what Donald Trump will have to pay back. This is very interesting, and this is a very sketchy situation for Donald Trump. He's walking on sand here because he's scrambling to get that $91.6 million. Give him credit. He got it put up. But in 2 weeks, he's got to come up with $500 million. And that's going to be decidedly more difficult.